So what are the best penny stocks to buy on February 6, 2025? Well, number one recommendation is lottery.com, stock symbol LTRY. It is up today 118% or 58 cents, trading at $1.07. Since this morning, it already traded 125 million shares in the first 90 minutes since the market opened. Market cap of the company, though, is only $10 million. Well, based on the name lottery.com, I would say that this thing maybe writes some software for lotteries, or maybe they organize lotteries, but it's a very intriguing name because we all know that you could become an instant millionaire or a billionaire playing a lottery. So I would like to know what kind of business model they got there for this company. But the main thing is that this thing was kind of like on a huge rip up in the last 3 days. 3 days ago, it used to trade at 30 cents a share. Then it had one major push 3 days ago when it went from 30 cents to like 60 cents, pretty much doubling. Then it retrieved a little bit to 50 cents, and now it had another huge push from 50 cents to $1.05. So something is definitely happening there, and the news that they're releasing, they're kind of like, I guess, long-term playing news, because the stock was going up for the last 3 days, let's say, and the trading volume is pretty huge too. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what's going on there, because it's very interesting. It could be very interesting opportunity. So lottery.com, stock symbol LTRY, only $1.04 a share. Next one is Lipella Pharmaceuticals, stock symbol LIPO. It is up today 67% or $1.73, trading at $4.30. Since this morning, it already traded 69 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $6 million. So this is a typical pharmaceutical penny stock, because we have the word pharmaceuticals in its name. And for the last 6 months, it was pretty much kind of like hovering around $3, going a little bit up, a little bit down. But the main thing is there was no trading volume for that stock, so nobody was really kind of interested in acquiring those shares. And it's very kind of natural for pharmaceutical penny stocks, because usually these are the companies that are doing research and development. They're trying to bring a new drug to the market, but it is a very lengthy and unpredictable process. So, but apparently they released some kind of news. Maybe they conducted clinical trials on humans, and they medication showed that it was actually working, or maybe they're actually close to getting approved by FDA, or maybe some big pharma is trying to acquire them. But the main thing is that whatever news they released today is really powerful, because suddenly it generates 69 million shares in trading volume versus almost nothing in the prior 6 months. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look, see what's going on there, and maybe put some money into it if it sounds good and promising. So Lipella Pharmaceuticals, stock symbol LIPO, only $4.33 a share. Next one is Digital Turbine, stock symbol APPS. It is up today 72% or $1.86, trading at $4.40. Since this morning, it already traded 70 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is about $426 million. Well, what can I tell you about this company? Well, first of all, based on a symbol, the symbol is APPS, I think this company is in a business of developing apps, maybe mobile apps for our, iPhones, Android, and stuff like that. So the main thing though is that in the last 3 months, it was actually trading kind of under the radar, but it formed a very bullish trend, basically going from $1.20 all the way to $2.80, pretty much more than doubling in the last 3 months. While it was doing it, it was doing very quietly. There was no trading volume there. So the stock just little by little was climbing up. So finally today, I guess they released some kind of news, and that propelled the stock from $2.20 to $4.40, basically, doubling in price, essentially. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look, see what kind of news they released, and if it sounds pretty good, maybe put some money into it. So Digital Turbine, stock symbol APPS, only $4.43 a share. Next one is Altus Power, stock symbol is AMPS. It is up today 27%, or $1.07, trading at $4.90. Since this morning, it already traded 25 million shares. Market cap for the company is about $785 million. So what can I tell you about this company? Well, it sounds like it's an electrical company because, if you look at the stock symbol, it literally spells amps. So I guess, right now we have this huge demand for electricity, for artificial intelligence, for data centers that are hosting those NVIDIA chips. And I wouldn't be surprised if this company somehow is involved in this booming business. So if I were you, I would take a look and see what's going on there and maybe put some money into it. So Altus Power, stock symbol AMPS, only $4.90 a share. Next one is SharpLink Gaming, stock symbol SBET. It is up today 23%, or 9 cents, trading at 52 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 40 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is only $2 million. So what can I tell you about this company? Well, first of all, I think it's some kind of technology software company that probably allows people to play and actually place bets on some kind of games. So maybe it's on sports games, maybe it's like games where you play like in a casino style, like card games, whatever. But the main thing is, I think it's a technology company, and it is right now kind of booming, I guess. Well, I mean, they probably released some kind of news, and this news are driving that stock. They're producing, 40 million shares in trading volume, which is a record number of shares in the last 6 months. Plus, they're producing very nice jump in price of 23%. So, if I were you, I would definitely take a look, see what's going on there, what kind of news they released, and maybe put some money into it, because we all know people love playing games, and they love placing bets, trying to kind of like win, similar to a lottery business. And the stock, the first stock we talked about, which is lottery.com. So take a look. SharpLink Gaming, stock symbol SBET, only 51 cents a share. So if you want to find out other great penny stocks to buy, go to this website, which is pnn.com, and download my app called Penny Gems that covers 2,000 penny stocks trading under $5. The app is automatically updated with the latest recommendation on what to buy and what to sell among the penny stocks. Plus, it will give you what are the best in the biggest gainers on the market and the biggest losers as well. Thank you for your time and good luck trading. Bye-bye now.